Hey, it's Matt White with Converted Carts. I'm here today with Mark from MadJax, and we are talking about the Club Car Tempo Lux Light Kit. This is pretty badass. I'm going to cut into some lights that kind of shows how it all works, but Mark, can you tell us just a little bit about what we've got here?
Yeah, so Tempo is one of the newest carts that Club Car has come out with. What we did when we added this feature, we wanted to give it a flush look for the mounting body, but we have the daytime running light, and of course with the Lux upgrade, we have the RGB that's going to be color coordinated that you can actually do from your Bluetooth Android or iPhone. So you can actually pick the colors and obviously the dancing patterns, what have you.
Yeah.
So it gives it a really nice look, especially when you're riding down the golf cart trails or campgrounds. It's going to give it something a little different than your neighbors probably have. You're also going to get the blinker kit with it as well.
And specific to that, I wanted to show here, so because this is a different light, obviously the Tempo doesn't come with a light to start with. So you've got your front cowl that you've got to tie this in. The instructions come with a kit or a template to be able to cut those out basically and then install. But there also is available an actual template that we sell that's just a little template. That way it's kind of already there for you to get it set up and going. And then the kit itself comes with, like you said, the ability for blinkers. It's got the stick and everything else that comes with the light kit.
You turn everything on and off here through the daytime running light, just like you would in an automobile. There's an automotive style blinker kit, so it's made for longevity and water resistant. And then of course you have the horn feature here on the back. With some of the modules that we have in here, we also have the self-canceling turn signals, so you're not just running down the road with your blinker on. It'll go off after several seconds, as well as your brake feature. It has like a 20-second relay to it, so the brakes will then turn themselves off. So
this would apply for those communities that require lights, that have turning signals and brake lights and all those kind of stuff. That ties into that.
Yes.